spotted egret, big egret, very big egret, and also the small egrets. You can see white, black, whitish brown, two little small egrets, white brown baby egrets, and here is the big egret. It's very big, very nice to spot him. And do give your comments and likes on this. So there is taking the fish. Very nice egret. Small egrets are also nice. Very nice. Do see some in the flying in the background. Very nice birds. Cattle egret. Very nice one. Do give your comments and likes.